Hello.
Touch shot violation by Justin. Wireless with a great serve. First ball by Libero. Chance ball. A point. Down the line hit by Castillo and great serve by Castillo. And great serving it. Great serve, a great first ball and a great serve, a great first ball by Libero. One second. And a great first ball by Libero. A drop ball. A great serve. Safe serve for Lamento. And chance ball back sa cluster 3. At Calderia. Nick hit. Safe serve again.
Nice serve. First ball ni Carlos. Tinaas kay Zaymen. Miss receive. Score. 18. Nice serve. Service ace for Cruz. 7. Nice serve. First ball ni Ramento. Tumimbang with a free ball. Carlos kinuha. Ani. Tinaas kay Ramento. Free ball. Tinaas kay Liam. Nice serve. Open receive. In the service line, Zaymen Cruz. First ball by Ikaner. Open receive. Second. Check ball. Pagpapuya. Nice serve. Kinuha ni Ramento. Tinaas kay Ikaner. Free ball. First ball by Carlos, Ani. Set kay Castillo. Castillo with a drop ball. Lamba. Nice serve. Tinaas kay Ani. Power kick. Bilicaria, tinaas kay Calner. Calner miss hit. First ball by Carlos, Ani. Tinaas kay Ani. Nakuha ni Batuna, so walang kumuha. Save serve, first ball by Calner. Taas kay Yurisa. Inside. Side spin. Check ball. Set ni Kapuyan. Carlos, up spin. Free ball. Kinuha ni Calner, tumimbang, mataas kay Bilicaria. First ball ni Calner, tataas kay Ramento. Free ball ni Molina. Ani, tataas kay Castillo. Castillo is blocked. Ani, tataas kay Castillo. Molina, tataas kay Tumimbang. Nice serve, kinuha ni Calmer. Delicaria, tataas kay Ramento. Drop ball, he is blocked by Kapuyan. 4, serving 5. Kapuyan, check ball. Castillo. Now on the service line, number 14, Garcia. Tataas kay Tumimba, and he scores. Inside. Delicaria, tataas kay Galarisa. Please block. Nice serve. Tumimba, tataas kay Ramento. Free ball from Ramento. Carlos, Ani, to Carlos. He is blocked. First ball ni Ramento. Tumimba, tataas kay Delicaria. Drop ball, nakuha ni Lloyd. Jubrel, tataas kay Jarez. Top spin. Free ball ni Molina. Kinuha ni Lloyd. Jarez with drop ball. And he scores. Binigay kay Delicaria. And he scores. First ball ni Carlos. Tataas kay Castillo. Castillo. Drop ball. Matunas with a free ball. Free score. First ball by Gab. Jubrel. Tataas kay Kapuyan. He's blocked. Tataas kay Kapuyan ulit. And he scores. Carlos with first ball. Tataas kay Kapuyan. And he scores. Delicaria. Tataas kay Tumimba. Top spin. Kuha ni Ani. Tinaas kay free ball. Ikalner. Delicaria. Tataas kay Galarisa. He's blocked. First ball by Kapuyan. Over receive. First ball by Carlos, tataas kay Gibran. Nakuha ni Batunas, over receive. Dular was there. Tataas kay Kapuyan. Batunas was there also. Ikalner, free ball. Castillo. Tataas kay Delicaria. Delicaria. Free ball from Carlos. Batunas. Delicaria, tataas kay Calder. Calder, outside! First ball by Calder. Delicaria, tataas kay Galarisa. Nakuha ni Castillo. Carlos, adjusts. First ball ni Ramento. Delicaria, tataas kay Calder. Calder. Inside. Tumimba, tataas kay Delicaria. Delicaria, drop ball. Ani, tataas kay Carlos. Overset, he's blocked. Tumimba, tataas kay Ramento. Ramento, drop ball. Gab was there. Tinaas kay Castillo. Castillo, drop ball. Delicaria, tataas kay Tumimba. Inside from Tumimba. Over the sea. Miss receive, Ikalner, tataas kay Tumimba. Top speed. He's blocked by Castillo. First ball, over receive. Carlos with first ball, tataas kay Kapuyan. Kapuyan. First ball ni Ikalner. Delicaria, tataas kay Tumimba. Tumimba is blocked by Carlos. Ramento, drop ball, but si Carlos, Jibril, bibigay kay Kapuyan, drop ball again. Ramento, tataas kay Tumimba, drop ball kay Tumimba, misreceived by Delibero, drop ball kay Kapuyan, Delicaria was there. Ramento, drop ball again. Tataas kay Castillo, adjust, and scores! Tataas kay Tumimba, kay Ramento, inside. First ball by Dular. Ani, tataas kay Kapuyan. Kapuyan is Carlos was there. Tataas kay Kapuyan. Kapuyan with the free ball. Tataas kay Calner. Calner with grab ball. Grab with a set. Grab ball by Kapuyan. Miss receive. Free ball from cluster 3. Dular was there. Tataas kay Kapuyan. Kapuyan with a side ball. Delicaria. Tataas kay Tumimbang. Carlos was there. Tataas kay Kapuyan. Here's ball by Dular. Taas kay Delicaria. Delicaria is blocked by Carlos. First ball by Ramento. Tumimbang. Tataas kay Ramento. First ball ni Castillo. Is received. Tataas kay Carlos. Jarens adjusts. Tataas kay Delicaria. Ball, please prepare. Dular. Tataas kay Carlos. Carlos is blocked. Tinaas balik kay Carlos. Calner, tataas kay... First ball by Calner. Tumimbang. Tataas kay Delicaria. Delicaria spot. Delicaria, tataas kay Tumimbang, top spin, Dular was there. Tataas kay Carlos. Carlos! First ball by Calner, tataas kay Tumimbang. Tumimbang is blocked by Kapuyan. Go. First ball by Kapuyan. Tataas kay Castillo. Drop ball, naabot. First ball. Free ball from cluster 3. Drop ball by Kapuyan. First ball, Castillo. Service team, tataas kay Kapuyan. Check ball, nakuha ni Molina. Receive. Free ball from Calner. It's inside. First ball by Gab. Tataas kay Gibran. Our team, Calner. First ball by Carlos. Tataas kay Kapuyan. Check ball from Kapuyan. First ball by Tumimbang. Tataas kay Calner. Calner. Nandun si Lloyd. Tataas kay Kapuyan. Kapuyan is blocked by Kapuyan. Service. Tumimbang. Speed. Ani. Free ball by Lloyd. Delicaria. Inside. Pass kay Carlos. Carlos. With a big hit. Tumimbang. Tataas kay Delicaria. Check ball. Nakuha ni Ani. Hinabol ni Kapuyan. Babalik. Tataas kay Ramento. First ball by Calner. Miss receive. Score! First ball by Calner. Delicaria. Tataas kay Ramento. Is blocked by Carlos. Miss receive. Di Calner. Tataas. Free ball from Delicaria. Ani. Tataas kay Castillo. Check! Slicer. Free ball. Tataas kay Gibran. Check ball! Now serving Cruz. Nice serve! Service is by Cruz. Ends at 25. And 25 will it be? Service is First ball by Tulibang, Bilicaria, tataas kay Calner, not now! Padaw! Nice serve from the Calner, first ball by Carlos, tataas kay Kapulan! First ball by Van! There you go! Van! Our champion for the 19 and under men's and boys volleyball, PBA. Hello, may waga sa tanan, ilang yung hindi facilitator sa panagtapo. Pwede na magsaka ay mag-umpisa na ang atong next event, championship sa atong basketball 19 na